Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video, you guys. So Siyabonga Zulu has passed away, you guys, and the videos of him talking about baby mama and ex-girlfriend Maweni are resurfacing, right? So he actually went to Metro FM and spoke to Andile Ngube. I think it was back in 2024 last year where he talked anything about Maweni, the baby mama, right? And one thing that Andile asked is, do you believe that Maweni Takatile? And he says that he does not believe that Maweni bewitched him, but he said that Maweni tried sabotaging him on multiple occasions, you guys. Okay, where he talked anything about Maweni, the baby mama, right? And one thing that Andile asked is, do you believe that Maweni Takatile? And he says that he does not believe that Maweni bewitched him, but he said that Maweni tried sabotaging him on multiple occasions, you guys, occasions rather. And he talked about how Maweni would just rock up, go like Sundowns at the time that he worked, go Sundowns, and Maweni would do all these crazy things, you guys. So let me not waste your time. I quickly insert this video plan. Please, guys, please do engage your thoughts in the comment section, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Do you believe in Xposed?
No.
So you don't believe in that. It's not that.
Yeah.
So then how does she then impact you at Sundowns? Because you're a player, they love you, you're starting, you're in the 11. Bafana's looking at you as a permanent player in that position.
Like, harass man. So she even go further with I told him that close to Lang
Just to harass you.
Yeah. Coach manje.
It was still Peter at the time, no?
Yeah, at the time.
Yeah.
So maybe every after 3 days, 4 days, figure my post. Show Rustenberg in Bush 3 times.
Ubushelwane.
Nafika Jimmy, nasuka kiye Joza ze Jimmy. Sinini nwathi ngimrepile. Sinini